Alright, today we're talking about how to merge two images together to create a double exposure. First thing you want to do, check your image size. Image, image size. Make sure your resolution is 300 and your inches should be no larger than 20 in the biggest direction. After having done that, I'm going to make it so that I can see both of these at the same time. To do that, grab the title of the image and click, drag, and let go of the mouse. Same thing. Grab the title of the image, click, drag, and let go of the mouse, and now I can see both. The easiest way to layer one image on top of the other is to grab the background, click with your mouse, and drag it to the opposite file and let go. And now you have two images, one on top of the other. Now, your Move tool, or the letter V, will let you scooch that file anywhere you like. Or you can edit, transform, or free transform, Control T, in order to resize it. And scooch it anywhere that you like. When you're done resizing it, to make the bounding box go away, press Enter. And now we're ready to blend them together. The easiest way to blend one image into the other is to change the layer mode, which could be found under Window, Layers, if it isn't up already, to change that top layer mode from normal to one of these other drop-down menu options. Whichever one you like is the one you can go for. And you're welcome to combine multiple layers and multiple effects if you'd like, or even apply a layer mask on top of that. So once you find the one that you like the best, which for me, I think is, I do like that one, but I'm going to go with Multiply. Then I'm going to edit, free transform one more time just to make sure that the image is exactly where I want it to be. Press Enter to complete my action. And you can do all kinds of fun things on top of this as well if you'd like. You can go to Image Adjust Levels or Control L to change the amount of light or dark in the image. And you could be done, or you could apply a layer mask. Apply a layer mask, and on that layer mask, use black to block out the things you don't want to see. For example, a black paintbrush could fade out these dark spots if I didn't want to see them, or I could leave it without. To finish, File, Save As, a JPEG to complete your file, your name, and the number of the assignment, and save. That's it.